The Nothing Ear 1. Earbuds are the inaugural product from Nothing, a company co-founded by Carl Pei, known for his role at OnePlus. These true wireless earbuds aim to deliver a blend of distinctive design and build quality. The Ear 1. Earbuds feature a transparent design, showcasing the internal components, which sets them apart aesthetically. They are lightweight and comfortable, making them suitable for extended use. Sound quality. Equipped with 11.6mm dynamic drivers, the Ear 1 delivers a balanced sound profile with a slight emphasis on bass, catering to various music genres. Active noise cancellation. The earbuds offer ANC capabilities, effectively reducing ambient noise in environments like public transport or busy offices. While not on par with premium models, the ANC performance is commendable for the price point. Battery life. Users can expect up to 5.7 hours of listening time on a single charge with ANC turned off, and up to 34 hours total with the charging case. With ANC enabled, battery life decreases to around 4 hours per charge. The case supports wireless charging, adding convenience. Overall, the Nothing Ear 1 earbuds stand out with their distinctive design and offer a solid feature set at an affordable price. While they may not rival high-end models in terms of sound quality or ANC performance. Thank you so much.